It is another full travel day. I'm going to West Palm Beach today to meet up with Lily. I'm so excited. Taking an Amtrak bus and then a train to get there. That was awesome. I was so close. Thank you.
Traveling to West Palm. Seat 48, up the steps to your right. Thank you. You're welcome.
Alright, we got on the train and I gotta find my seat. Sorry, dude. I don't know you're in here. How much you finish up? What are you doing in Miami?
You guys need a taxi?
I don't need. I have a taxi. Thanks. What's up, Mel? How are you doing?
How was it?
Crazy.
It was a
Yo,
long day.
we got this on the vlog. It was.
Yeah. That's good. I see. My grandma's here.
See, this is why I always need to have the camera going. I think that people like these moments in the vlog more than me.
What?
You. Yeah.
So fucking hilarious. Get that in the vlog. Hey. They're so cute.
Hey.
Did you see that cute ass comment your sister left?
About you?
Yeah.
Saying that she likes you more than me? And there is the laugh of the century.
That shit is so funny. That's what did it? The coffee?
Are you insinuating that I smell bad?
I'm always the smelly one. I don't care.